2016 Tier 1 Random Division number 1. I don't have one right now, Aircorp. Can you resend it? Alright. 8 ball, 6 and a deuce. And the wife's home. Giggity giggity goo. Oh, got you. Got you. Oh, nice, TC. Gelfman had a graduation this morning for Jace. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the Waterbury Open winner is Bennett! Nasty Bennett! I believe that is the cherry pop for you, right, Bennett? One. He said about time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and powder. AL Central up, NL Central down. I hate golf, but I love winning. The beautiful thing about this golf is it has nothing to do with golf. Let me add you to the list, sir. And let me get you guys all a better view. Come on. Okay. We're just going to go ahead and leave it there then. Right, Kiki? I'm not gonna lie though, I enjoy going out on a course and, you know, hacking it up. I couldn't tell you the last time I went golfing though. God, it's probably been, well, I haven't golfed since I've been down here, so it's probably been about 3 years. Yes, I'm with you, Smack. And throwing a stogie in the mouth. That's my golf. Midget golf, aka putt putt. What's up, Brian? All in good time, sir. All in good time. 229, Shadow. Oh, Terry Thurmer. You and I will. Yeah. I would say you probably just wait. I got stuff from 3 years ago. And it's a relic card. What's up, Dylan? But I enjoy golf. I really do. I used to be somewhat good at it. And then I got a lob wedge. And now I suck terribly. It's all mental. It's all mental. For some reason I went from able to hit a golf ball to not being able to hit it. The actual game, I used to shoot pretty good back in high school. Now I suck terribly. Uh-oh. I'm not even gonna say it's anything. I mean, it's probably just a patch. Yep. We got double fatty, though. We got double... Oh, it's a book. Double fatty, and it's a book. Miguel Cabrera to 50. Edwin Encarnacion to 25. Wow, what a freaking book. What a book. Jock Peterson and Corey Seager. 2 of 10 for Los Dodgers. Nasty Douglas. Sick hit, man. This stuff is glorious. It really is. Absolutely glorious. Like I said, I threw another division in the store, 229 with a Waterbury Open entry. And PYT3 is almost sold out if anybody wants in on that one. If you'd like a little more variety, PYT number 4. Mark Pryor, number to 249. To 299, Hector Oliveira. And Lucas Duda to 399. Somebody bought them in every break, Flamand. If I had to guess. Because they were in there. Ooh, this must be our patch. This is not our patch. Oh my goodness. Hall of Famer Rod Carew to 25. Stephen Piscotty to 299. DJ Lemieux to 299. And for the Cubbies, 5 of 10, Anthony Rizzo. Nice hit, Mark. Bennett, congratulations on throwing a dart right square in my forehead. Nasty big hurt, Frank Thomas, 24 of 25. Sick hit, dude. Sick. Aaron Nola to 299. And Matt Carpenter to 299. Very nice hit, man. This stuff is so nice. So freaking nice. Carlos Delgado to 249 for the Blue Jays. Wow. For the Mets, breakout auto, Conforto. And Anthony Rizzo to 299. Edwin Encarnacion to 10. Matt Whistler to 299 and Adrian Gonzalez to 399. Nathan Eovaldi to number to 299. Miguel Almonte to 299 and Cole Calhoun to 399. And the Bearded Clam wanders through the room and back out. Vince Coleman, number to 249. To 299, Alex Colomb. Chris Bryant, number to 399. And Justin Verlander, number to 50. Trout, please. Trout, please. Or Correa. We've hit both of their autographs, so it's not out of the question, Nancy. It's not out of the question. What's up, Sherry? Number 25, Chris Heston. Ooh, here's our patch auto. Shut the F up. Number to 50, Clayton Kershaw. Nasty. And Jose Bautista to 399. This stuff is disgusting. There's like 4 or 5 tweeter cards every case. Los Dodgers killing. Douglas. Douglas doing work. Oh, he doubled up on the Vince Coleman to 249. TJ, take it to the house to $2.99. And Jose Fernandez to $3.99. How are you, young lady? Dude, I love saying tweeter. I really do. What's up, Brian Cushing? What's up, Big Bob? What's up, Dew? What's up, John P? Dallas Keuchel, number to 249. Number to 249, Tom Murphy. And Ryan Howard to $2.99. That's the way we take it to the house. Take it to the house. Horrid and Thingy. What's wrong with Horrid? Brandon Moss to 249. To 299, Stephen Piscotty. To 399, Miguel Cabrera. And Rick Farrell to 75. That's horrid. And that was the break, folks. Thank you all. I appreciate it.